Hello guys, and welcome to another quick and absolutely delicious recipe that you can enjoy for lunch or as a snack. To make this recipe, you'll start by preparing the ground beef. Go ahead and fry your onions and garlic. Go ahead and add your ground beef, then season. I'll have the seasonings in the description box. Add some peppers, including jalapeno if you like some spice. And then add 1 tomato just to add a bit of moisture there and flavor too. And then cover and cook this until the tomatoes are softened. And then you're going to stir and then add the final ingredients, which are green onions and cilantro for a bit of green there and a nice aroma. And when this is done, set it aside and allow the beef to cool down. Now you will need a baking pan of this sort. Go ahead and spray some cooking spray there if you don't mind, and then add your tortilla. So you're going to do large tortillas, one on the bottom, and the cooking spray will make it a little crispy on the bottom. So then go ahead and sprinkle some cheddar cheese onto the tortilla, avoid the edges, and then you're going to add your cooled down meat onto the tortilla and spread it out. Make it a thick layer, but not too thick, not too thin either, and make sure to spread your meat really nicely all the way to the close to the edges, but leave a little bit like half an inch from the edge uncovered, because you'll see why. Yeah, so you're going to sprinkle some mozzarella cheese on that edge so that as you cover this, you have some space to lock things down, on the edges. So sprinkle the mozzarella cheese all around the edges, and then some more cheddar cheese in the middle. Of course, you could use any cheeses you want, but I like cheddar in the middle, and I also added all the leftover mozzarella. Yeah, so go ahead and cover the top and then sprinkle some more cheese on the top tortilla, because this is how you will get your browning and that cheesy top of the recipe. So go ahead and bake this until it's nicely browned. And when it's ready, take it out, let it cool down. It looks beautiful. It is really smelling good, and also it tastes amazing. So allow it to cool for a few minutes, and then you're going to cut this just like you cut a regular pizza, and then you're going to dig in. So it's transferable, as you can see. Just handle it gently and then cut it up into whatever sizes you want. I cut this into 6 pieces. Just making sure to cut the bottom tortilla really well, and since I had some oil there, it's very crispy and dried up, which is what you want. So enjoy this. You could have a dipping sauce if you like, but you can also eat it as it is. Perfect for lunch, perfect as a snack. Yeah, so enjoy this, and thank you very much for stopping by, and I hope to see you again. Bye bye.